ever stop and think, why spend too much time just...
So this is what I have remaining for fall to decorate my kitchen. If you saw my previous video, you know that I already decorated my living room and my entryway. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tackle my kitchen this early morning, and I'm gonna decorate the whole kitchen. And this is what I have left, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. There's some great things in there, so I can't wait to decorate. Let's do it. So I really want to put a wreath by this door or this door. I'm gonna see how it looks. I had this wreath for a long time. It's a little bit dusty. I'm gonna clean it. I usually use it outside, but I bought a new wreath for outside. Again, if you haven't seen that video, I can link it below for you guys. But I want to spruce up over here. I was thinking over here or right there on this bare wall, but let's try and see how it looks like. So I have this wreath holder, which I got from the Dollar Tree since last year. I wanted to use it for Christmas, but I was not able to use it. I'm gonna go ahead and use it for fall.
You were just standing there with the wind in your golden hair. Didn't know your name, but I could feel it with every heartbeat, every time that our eyes would meet. Didn't know back then. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be two.
Okay, so I finally finished decorating, and I love the pop of orange. It's not overwhelming, but I have some cute stuff here, like this pumpkin candle holder. I got this from Goodwill last year, and it was a little bit plain, so I decided to go ahead and put that garland, the little red pop of garland right here, so that it can have some color on this side. I got this last year also from Goodwill, which is the from Dollar Tree, which is the light and the thankful sign. Both of them were last year, and I decided to put it over here so at night we can have some pop of color. Then right here, this is kind of like a tree. Well, it's a tree, but it's not Christmas color, so it's basically for fall, and it lights up at night, and I love that. And right here, as you saw me placing the wreath, which is my favorite part of this whole kitchen. It's simple, yet it's such bright colors here that it brings, you know, that it's fall time. And on top of my fridge, I have this beautiful vase which I got from Ross, and I decided to put the Dollar Tree florals on there. I removed my spring summer florals and I put those on there, and I love the way that looks on here.
what to do. I count to three when you're next to me. I love you, what to do now? Only problem is I love you, what to do? You got me down.